What's up, you guys? Happy Labor Day weekend. Today is Sister Rain's birthday and we are here at the island enjoying ourselves, and we are going to be going to the beach soon.
Coming at you live at South Padre Island, Texas. What'd you say, live today, not tomorrow?
This video is live today, not tomorrow. Got Alea over there. Say hello. Not the best weather, but we're going to have the best of it. We're going to make it fun.
Yeah, we are.
We are about to head to the beach right now. Happy birthday, Sister Rain. 28 looks good on you.
Stop.
Alea over here. Got Oats my goats.
Matching sandals.
Matching sandals. Beautiful wife. What in the flux?
So mad. I'm not running on my birthday.
Yeah. Well, we were out there, you guys just saw, and then this happened. Reporting to you live today, not tomorrow. This is a okay. Yeah, shots from Moraine right here.
Yeah. It doesn't look like we're going anywhere, so we're probably gonna get drunk here.
It'll pass. We are getting dressed. The girls are doing their makeup. Sister Rain over there, she's so beautiful. Oh, I cannot. Anywho, so we are gonna see the.
You can and you will.
What?
You said I cannot.
Oh.
You can and you will.
Can you will. We are gonna see the fireworks tonight. It's the last thing we do.
No, it's our last night.
Is
I know
it?
why after this.
Here's to 28, Sister Rain. This is what I'm drinking tonight, guys. Right here. Check out my Lucy.
Hey guys.
We're about to see the fireworks. We're gonna see the fireworks. This place is really nice. It's called Longboards. That are at South Padre Island. Check it out. The water. It's on the bay. We just made it home. We had a fabulous weekend. We hope you guys enjoyed the video. Rain, I hope you enjoyed bringing in your 28th. You deserve all the best days and more. For those of you that are new, please click the subscribe button, leave a comment, turn on your notifications so whenever we upload, you get notified. But yeah, gonna start the week off working the 10-hour days. This week I'm going to San Antonio with my mom. She's got her appointment, so yeah, maybe bring you along. My Lucy's already asleep. She seems like a princess. She's waiting for her princess to kiss her to wake her up. You see?
Night guys, I'm ready for bed, love.
Stay awesome, guys. See you soon, and I hope you enjoyed today's video, or this weekend's video, whatever. Thankfully we made it back safe from the island and we're doing good.
We didn't get burned or anything, thank God.
Yeah, we didn't get burned, thank God. And then Lucy's starting her fantasy football this week. Cowboys play Sunday, I just found that out. So this is our year, 2020, baby. Woo! I'm ready for Carrie Underwood to sing her heart out. Oh, it's Friday. No, it's Sunday night. Love when she sings too.
You apparently do. Every Sunday, that's your favorite.
I know.
So girl, you do you, babe.
Alright, going to bed. I don't know how my hair looked, but chug, 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 chug. Stay awesome. Bye.